So the next item we'll be installing will be our strap buttons. So strap buttons, again, as the name implies, are the buttons for a strap. So on an LP style guitar like this, you normally have one inserted at the bottom of the guitar and one just in the center of the upper bout. So typically find center line across the body, mark down using a set square or something like that. Now again, obviously drill a pilot hole using a 5/64 inch or similar drill bit, and then with the strap buttons themselves, in your packaging you'll generally find it assembled like this. So you'll have a small rubber padding that sits under the button like so. The screw goes through and it should look like that. Then we'll install.